Curious how the hoe cake got its name? Read the description to discover this amazing story behind these cornmeal pancakes. Cakes are just another name for cornmeal pancakes. When I make my mixture, I like to separate the dry from the wet. This eliminates overmixing your batter. Now, if you notice, I added some onions and I added it to the dry. That's to keep it from sinking down to the bottom. Onions are optional. Then you're going to add your wet to your dry and mix it gingerly. You're going to fry them just as if they were pancakes in a little bit of oil, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You'll know when they're done when you see little bubbles or they're drying around the edges. Enjoy.